A picture.
No, listen, Cannon. Can you say...
Cheese.
Cheese. Can you say, Happy birthday, Teddy?
Happy birthday, Teddy.
Can you look at the camera and say it?
Happy birthday, Teddy.
Teddy. Teddy, she's our neighbor up at the big red brick house. I say, Happy birthday, Teddy.
Happy birthday, Teddy.
Do you know who Teddy is? Do you remember Bay? Your friend Bay? Teddy is Bay's mama. Is that exciting? Pretty lackluster. Well, okay, there's the dog. Bailey, say, Happy birthday! Can I get a tail wag? Wag a tail! Wag a tail! Nothing. Nothing. It's a lazy Sunday here, obviously.
Wag the tail!
Wag the tail! I'll get a close-up of Cannon's shorts for you, Teddy. They got little pirate ships on them.
You did it.
You did it. Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
And there is King Alpha. King of the Mittens. Oh, smiling for Teddy. Smiling for Teddy. Yay! Oh, Piggy Boo. Oh, Piggy Boo. He's smiling, Teddy, I promise. It's just hard to see when he's got his fingers on his face like that. Happy birthday, Teddy. Alright, we're gonna sign off now. Happy birthday, Teddy.